Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. So go for your TikTok app. Now click on profile, go for in this three line option here, click on settings and privacy. After that scroll down and you can see here a report a problem. So you have to go for it. Okay, now scroll down again and you can see here a live option. So click on it and go for how to start a live. Click on no, go for need more help. So now you have to tell them your feedback that you can't go live on TikTok, just helped you. So after that, when you are done, just go for submit. So guys, this is how you can go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.